Who's here? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? What? They know Daddy's home. Where? He's they're looking for you. They're looking for you. Where is he? Where? Oh, you found him. You found him. You found him. They didn't know where you were at. Oh my goodness, you found Dad. Where's Daddy? Oh, look at her. Look at her. Gonna break a hip there, little girl. I just got up. I'm editing another video.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to work then.
No.
Because apparently this isn't a priority.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I've been kicking butt in that side.
You've been slacking 2 days in a row.
No. Yesterday I slacked. Yes, I slacked yesterday. But it's because I had to declutter my computer.
Let me show you something real quick. Just right here. Look.
What's
photo,
that?
Photo.
Hold on, let me turn you around.
Photo. 7 totes of photos.
This is half the year of 2018 from June to December, or July to December goal.
Okay.
It can't be a goal right now, but it's a goal to sort it out. Good morning. Good morning. I just got up. Today is what's today? I always forget what's
Tuesday.
Tuesday the 12th?
13th.
No.
Yeah.
Is it the 13th?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We got 5 days.
Okay, so it is Tuesday, March 13th, 2017. I cannot get used to this time change. I go to bed later, and then when I get up earlier, I took the kids to school, and then I went back to bed. I haven't got time for that. It's already 11:40, and I haven't done much but edit. So I'm just going to do my makeup today and pack up. See, it's too dark. It shouldn't be. And I'm going to pack up those things there. I'm going to have some of my pancakes that I made a few days ago with the walnuts in it. So I'm going to have that. I have some bacon over here thawing. I'm going to see if my husband wants to eat. He's home for the day. We're trying to... He's not going to be available much towards the end of this week to help out. So he's trying to just come home early when he can, and then, because at the end of the week, it's going to be very, very tough. My son has a baseball game, and it's just, you know, crunch time. And this whole kitchen still needs to be packed. That's insane. I think that's it for right now, guys. I need to go get my hair cut. The split, look at that. It's dry, and it has split ends. I haven't been really taking care of my hair, not much. I actually wanted to put some makeup on today, but I don't know. Oh, I know what I wanted to tell you guys. I told you guys that I wanted to weigh myself, right? Well, I packed the scale. I meant to leave the scale that we use. We have like 4 scales. 2 were given to us by his company, and then one I've had as a Jenny Craig scale I've had for eons, and then the one that I use to weigh myself in. But I packed everything, so I can't weigh myself, which is probably... I was going to say it's a good thing, but actually no, I need to be accountable and see where I'm at. Anyways, I can't weigh myself. Okay, I'll be back, guys. I'll be back. I'm pushing it today. I'm getting ready to work on my makeup table. Here, let me turn you around. As I was putting on my makeup today, I kind of kept out what I think I would need. This is pretty much everything, kind of, sort of. I have some stuff over here, but some of this is going to be transferred into this. A lot of this is my Project Pan stuff that I have here ready, ready to use. These are the brushes I'm going to keep out, and these I'm going to put away, and then I have some in here already put away. And I think I'm just going to start with a drawer and just work my way down and get this done. It's tiring. I had to get my apple cider vinegar with the Zivia sparkling water and a dash of salt. I think with all the carbs I think I'm just all over the place, so I just feel like I need to help out my stomach a little bit. So I'm gonna get this done. My husband went to go lay down. He's tired too. He was working on Aiden's room. Well, let me see. Yeah, he's still not done. Oh my God, this room is bad. He took out his TV, the unit he had right here, and he patched up all the holes. He already took out his ceiling fan and put back the regular light. And his closet still needs to get worked on. Not too bad though. He already started with the boxes already boxed in there. Yeah, and then I think we're supposed to be doing a little bit of the kitchen. The kitchen is going to be really, really, really hard. It's one of the hardest ones, so I think that one is going to be worked on just a little bit today, depending on how much energy I have and how much energy he has. It's starting to weigh on us, for sure. It's starting to weigh on us, but we are like at the end. I mean, seriously, we are at the end. And I noticed, just to keep you on my health journey, and might as well talk about it because it's part of this whole process, you know, and I am definitely eating a lot more carbs. I've been having a lot of popcorn at night, and you know, corn is not a good thing to have. And I've been having popcorn, and I'm feeling it's counterproductive because I don't have the energy that I had. So I just, you know, I like to talk about it in my vlogs because I like to share the journey with me and what I'm feeling because of it. So I had to have that apple cider vinegar right now because I just really was feeling something awful, and it just helps my stomach. I'm gonna have to go pick up my daughter here now. My husband said he was gonna go do it, but I don't want to wake him up. He's only been laying down for 10 minutes, and 10 minutes is not enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick her up and then just get right to the makeup table. The house is looking pretty bad, pretty rough. I don't like it like this. I like to pack while the house is pretty good, and it's not. It's in disarray. So now I'm starting to feel it. Okay, so I have about 5 minutes before I go pick her up. So I'm gonna work a little bit and then go get her. Okay, I'll be back, guys. Oh, by the way, yeah, it's 2 o'clock. Okay, I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm gonna go get my daughter. My husband is asleep. So, look at this garage. That's that on that side. And then on this side, we have all that. And then some over here. But this is all the boxes. I don't think that's bad. And then all the stuff that was up there is down. I don't think that's too bad. I don't know. I don't think so. Not for a house. I don't know. Maybe I'm delusional. That's very possible. Let me get some water. Okay. Maybe while I'm in the car I'll mess with my camera because I think the setting is off. Way off. Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty out today, guys. I feel the sun on my face. With the kids being sick yesterday and everything, it's just been in the house. I think that's what's getting to me too. Just boxes and house and not getting out. You know what I mean? Ooh, it's hot in my car. My car is usually parked in the garage. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Hot, 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 hot. Okay. All right, guys, I'm going to mess with the settings on this thing because I think it's off. And what time is it? $2:08. Okay, just enough time to get there. I'll be back, guys. We'll chit chat some more. All right, got one of the Alex drawers cleared. These are my eyeshadows. Some here, 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 and then both those drawers up there have eyeshadows. Good Lord. Alright, so I'm just going to put this away. It's a good thing I was so organized already. It was just really, really pretty easy. I thought it was going to be worse than what I thought. And then the nail polishes are going to be packed up today. Alright. I have hot flashes. Really bad. Yeah. Hey, back. Oh, I can't get it. Just turn on the fan for me.
The light on?
No. I'm a month. I was supposed to start February 24th, around there. I haven't felt this bad in a long, long time. Well, not a long, long, long time, but it's been a while. I attribute it to stress, perimeno, and, you know, bad eating. I just broke down a little bit ago and cried for just because I feel bad. Just a mixture of no reason of crying and just feeling bad. I finished the makeup table. I backed up the nail polishes, and now I have to clean my room. I'm bagging my sunglasses, and we're just gonna probably do the pans that are out on the table, and that's it. Be done for today. I don't feel good. I just don't. I can't wait till I focus back on my health. I was feeling so good. I was doing so good. But I don't know. This perimeno is kicking my butt today, and yesterday was bad too. Alright, I just wanted to touch base. I had a really hot flash right now. Bad hot flash. I gotta eat healthier, but I just can't focus in on that right now. I mean, I am focusing on it. I am doing some good decisions, you know, but it's hard. It's hard. Okay. I'm gonna lay here just for a little bit and then just clean up my room and then help with the pots and pans and things like that. And I think we'll call it a day. Okay, guys. I think I fixed the camera. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I did not finish my vlog yesterday. No. So today is March 14th. It is 7:37. I just got in from taking the kids to school. Taking the kids to school. And, oh my gosh. I could not finish my vlog yesterday. I did not feel good. After that major hot flash, it was downhill from there. And I couldn't even help my husband finish up the packing. I'm gonna sneeze. It is cold again here. It got really warm. It got like in the 70s, mid 70s, and now it's cold again. I mean, it's not freezing cold, but I mean, it's chilly. Anyways, my husband got a lot done yesterday. He took care of all the like the baking pans and sheets and things, like cookie sheets and all that. And so he took care of all of that. He packed up some of the kitchen, not all of the kitchen, but some. Just, I would say like 1/4 of the kitchen is packed. Oh, he's outside. Okay. Let's see. I would show you, but it is still very dark in here, and I don't have a lot of accent lighting anymore to like bring some light to the house. See, it's still really dark. And it's real cloudy. Oh, but my I have my Alex drawers out here. So that is all cleared away. My makeup got put away. I was able to do that completely. I just have out what I'm going to be needing. And you know, things like that. I still have to make my bed. This Alex drawer right here is the one that was in the closet, and that houses my packaging material for eBay. I sold another item. I just took it out to the mailbox. I meant to take you out there with me so that you could see the beautiful sky. It's really pretty. But anyway, so I'm going to go through that. It's pretty much cleaned. It's just the bottom drawer has some of my sunglasses and things like that. And I'm putting those in this box right here that I found. Anyways, I'll show you in a little bit. My printer is out here now. So the closet really only has the hanging clothes, and it has my eBay items that are on eBay, because I need to keep those safe. But other than that, my husband went around, patched holes, did Aiden's room. Yeah, my son's room, he took out the TV and the cabinet that was here. Oh my God, look at that. Water bottles. And they're empty, like, you know. So today we're going to finish up his closet. It's not much at all. Empty out his dresser. Box what he doesn't need right now. It's just hard with him because he's, you know, like he's always at school, you know, with tennis and everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll show you more today. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here, and then continue on with today's vlog. I'm looking at his room thinking, oh my gosh. I always think we're caught up, and then it's like, or we're ahead of the game. We are ahead of the game. That's one thing I'm really, really happy about. We are ahead of the game. But there's still more, you know what I mean? I think I did fix the camera. I had it on the wrong setting. Okay, guys, I will let you go for right now. Sorry, the vlogs have just really been about this, but that's what we're in the middle of right now. My husband's coming home early today. Thank goodness. This will be the last day this week that he'll be off early. He's took tomorrow off, and Friday he goes back to work. Oh, I have to sneeze, guys. And then the weekend, I've been fighting this thing. And then this weekend is just about cleaning. He's going to be doing the back, all the outside. He's going to mow the lawns one last time and just fix up. That'll be it. Okay, guys. I'm going to say goodbye for right now, but look for today's vlog tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.